Hey everyone, Alex McCracken with Funeral Innovations here again. In this next series of videos, what we're going to be talking about is the difference between traditional and digital marketing. Okay, traditional being your billboards, yellow pages, flyers, handouts, anything that is analog or maybe that you were using over the last 20 years before today. Digital being all those things like Facebook, email, websites, Google ads, anything that is really online. And really the whole idea behind why we've gone from traditional to digital marketing is because the consumer is now driving the conversation. After years and years of hearing that, hey, the consumer's always right, they've really taken that to heart and said, you know what, I am right, and now I want information from my brands the way I want it. And that's drastically changed how every single company out there has to interact with their community and their consumers, but definitely so for the funeral industry. And we're gonna talk about that here, okay? And really what they want is info differently. It used to be, here's one message as a funeral home, here we are. I want you guys to take this message and figure out what you like about it and then come talk to us. You can't do that the same way anymore. Now what you have to do is say, hey, I realize that everybody out there is different, okay? And I realize that everybody wants their information differently. So you can't take a one-faceted approach and get that out to everyone. You're gonna have to have different facets for each individual segment of your population. And that's the beauty of digital marketing, is you can do that, is you can go out and have a personal conversation with individuals in your community without increasing your workload. Okay? And not only that, is you can get information back. It's a two-way conversation now, right? And with this conversation, they get more information and you can adapt how you're reaching out to your individual community members by using digital marketing. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that in the next series of videos. So make sure you subscribe below and stay up to date on all the information that we're going to be putting out there on how you can adapt your strategy to be more digital marketing focused and help your pre-need and at-need business, how to use this to steer and direct your marketing, how to interact your sales and marketing, and even how you're going to reach out to your community members differently when you finally get them on the phone or when they walk in your door, okay? So stay with us, subscribe, and we're going to teach you all about the differences of digital and traditional marketing.